Welcome to Robertson County's training overview for DocAccess accessibility tools available on our public website. These tools help ensure county documents are accessible to all citizens, including individuals using screen readers, translation tools, or other accessibility assistance technologies. Anytime you open a PDF on the Robertson County website, like meeting minutes or a resolution, DocAccess opens automatically. To begin, click the switch at the top left of the screen to activate Accessible Transcript View. This will allow the PDF to reflow into a screen reader-friendly text that you can resize, scroll, or otherwise alter according to your own specifications and needs. To view some of the transcript accessibility features, click Find and Zoom on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Here you will find disability assistance tools that provide additional options such as larger text, high-contrast viewing modes, and reading assistance features that improve accessibility for users with visual or cognitive disabilities. Here you will also be able to search in the document by typing a word. DocAccess will jump to that word in the text. DocAccess also offers a variety of additional tools to make your experience easier and faster. These are located on the right-hand banner alongside your PDF. Here are some of your options. You can ask any question about the document and receive an answer quickly and easily using the Ask a Question tab. The Ask a Question feature allows users to search and interact with document content using natural language questions. This can help visitors quickly locate important information within longer documents. Document Outline helps users navigate larger documents quickly by displaying organized headings and sections. This is especially helpful for agendas, reports, and policy documents. Simply expand the Document Outline tab and scroll to click on the headline of the page you are looking for. The Translate feature allows visitors to view county documents in multiple languages, improving accessibility for residents who prefer reading information in their native language. Simply click your preferred language on the drop-down menu to rewrite your PDF. For those with reading difficulties or visual disabilities, DocAccess offers 30 minutes of free visual interpretation by a live interpreter to help you access your document. This is through the company Aira, and you can reach your interpreter by following the instructions shown and connecting via phone, the Aira app, or web browser. As mentioned previously, DocAccess has a plethora of helpful features to make your experience easier, faster, and more adaptable. These tools support Robertson County's commitment to improving public access to information and maintaining accessible online services for all residents. Thank you for helping support accessible digital services for Robertson County citizens.